Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Twilio SendGrid transactional email and React Native apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Twilio SendGrid for transactional email in your React Native app, start by creating a SendGrid account. Once logged in, navigate to the API keys section in your SendGrid dashboard. Create a new API key with sufficient permissions for sending emails. Save this key securely, as you will need it in your application. Next, install the required libraries in your React Native project. Use npm or yarn to install Axios for making HTTP requests. Run the command npm install Axios or yarn add Axios in your terminal. After installing Axios, create a new file named emailservice.js in your project. In this file, define a function that will handle the email sending logic using SendGrid. Import Axios at the top of the emailservice.js file. Inside your function, set up the URL for the SendGrid API. Use the endpoint https://api.sendgrid.com/v3/mail/send single quote. Create an object to structure your email data. Add properties for the sender, recipient, subject, and content of the email. Set your API key in the headers of your Axios request. Make a post request to the SendGrid API with the email object and headers. Handle the response and error from the API call. If the email is sent successfully, log a success message. If there's an error, log the error details for troubleshooting. Return a promise from the function for better handling in your components. Now, in your main application file, import the email service you just created. When a user performs a certain action, like filling out a form, call the email sending function. Ensure you pass the necessary parameters to customize the email. Implement error handling in the component to manage failed email sends. You may want to create a loading state to improve user experience while the email is being sent. Test your email functionality by running your React Native app. Fill in the form or trigger the action to send an email. Check your inbox to see if the transactional email arrives successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.